What's up, my soul squad? Hey, it's me, your girl SoulfulT in the house. And what we're doing today, what did that chop boy say? Ranch flavor pork chops. Yes. So, we're going to get started. Yes, it's the day I'm recording myself. I know, I'm recording myself. So I hope the lighting and everything back is right and everything, guys. I told you I'm recording myself. I'm using the iPhone. I'm not used to camera yet by myself, so let's get started. Ranch flavor pork chops with a side of roasted potatoes in the oven, a one-drop meal, one pan. Let's get it over with, get it done. Okay? So, with that being said, let's see if we get you guys in a good position here. Okay. Hands and breasts. I keep giving y'all hands and breasts, but that's what it is right now. So, right in this bowl, I got some garlic powder, some cinnamon. No, I don't got no damn cinnamon. What I'm talking about? I got garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. And to that, I'm going to add in this ranch seasoning right here. This is a ranch dip, dressing salad dip. Yeah, this right here. That whole thing. There it is. There it go. Take my tongs. And I'm just going to mix that up with that. That's all the seasonings. This is going to season my potatoes. Now, guys, for your potatoes, you get your favorite baking dish that you're going to use. Use those little baby potatoes. I used what I had in my house. So I had some red potatoes because trying to go to the store after Thanksgiving, how was everybody Thanksgiving? Oh, to let everybody know, Mama Jackie is home recovering and she's doing well. She'll be back in some videos real soon. Her procedure went wonderful. Yeah, and thank you guys for all your prayers and emails and stuff. And my flour is available. So, it was all sold out, but it's available now. So guys, go to that link, get your flour. I've had here some red potatoes that I cut in half. And I boiled them like for 20 minutes. Not even 20 minutes. I got to boil them like for 10 minutes. Because just to get them a little bit, to make them soft. Because those not those little baby potatoes. You know. I cut them in half. There they go. I'm going to put some olive oil on. One half on the baking tray. The other half is going to be my pork chops. This is my seasoning. This is my pork chops that I'm using, guys. Right here. You can use whatever type of pork chops you want. Some people use those thin pork chops, boned in pork chops, the real 1-inch pork chops. You know, they're gonna cook with these potatoes. I'm getting them all on here, honey. Yeah. Let me wash my hands, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I hope you can see my pork chops and stuff and catacorn it. Wash your hands. Take some olive oil and just sprinkle on the pork chops, on the potatoes. And remember, if you got those baby potatoes, you don't have to pre-boil them. Again, I didn't have any. Try to get some. Honey, the store was out of those potatoes. Let me tell you. They were buying them up. Now, I'm going to take my tongs and I want to flip these chops. Just because this is a short video. It's a quick video. Y'all had to open up the back door. But I have to show y'all my face. Y'all going to be like, what the heck? I'm in this joint sweating. As soon as you turn the oven on, okay? Do both sides with the olive oil. Just sprinkle a little bit. And make sure you get those potatoes nice. So, you don't actually have to use the baby potatoes. Use whatever you have in your home. So if you have regular potatoes, dice them up. Let them hit some. Oh, and to give your potatoes flavor, I boil them in chicken broth and water. So when you bite into the potatoes, it has so much flavor. So I use like maybe a cup and a half of chicken broth, and I fill the rest of the pan up with water. Now I'm taking my seasoning with this ranch flavor and all the seasoning. Let me pull that down. You want to get all of your pork chop. I used a whole pack of ranch You're going to put it on the potatoes, all over the pork. This is going to make it taste good. Yes. God, your family is going to love this. Good flavor in the oven. You want to do both sides of this. So you want to flip them. At least a 1-inch thick pork, because you don't want your pork chop to dry up in the oven. And if you use the baked potatoes, they may even get done faster than your pork chops. That's okay. Just put them back in there. Let them do what they're going to do. Season them. You want to get everything nice and seasoned. You want to have flavor to your meat. You want to have flavor. And the potatoes are already going to have flavor. But guess what? You cook them in that chicken broth. So potatoes going to have flavors regardless. But you want to get some of that all on you. If you feel like you ain't got enough, buy at least 2 packs of ranch dressing, because you want to make sure you just do what you got to do. All over. Everything, guys. That's my oven preheating. So you know what that means. 375 for about a good 40 minutes in the oven. We be right back with the end result. Look at me. So y'all sweating. Soul Squad, look at that. The juices, those potatoes cooking. The pork chops looking good. Nice and juicy up in there. In the oven. Got about 10 minutes left on these, guys. I just wanted you guys to take a quick look at it. Make a salad or just do this. But I would say make a nice cool salad to go with this meat and the potatoes, and you got a salad. A good glass of wine. What goes good with pork? Some white wine, red wine? I don't know. Drink, a cocktail. Who knows? But this is wonderful. We'll be back when they're done. Okay, guys. Oh, baby, turn that light on for me. I ain't got no light. Okay.
How you cut it on?
Your little switch right there. On the cord. On the cord. Follow the cord and go up the cord. You hit a switch. Bam. Okay, guys. So, guess the further I go back, you see me. So in this pan, guys, I buttered my little pan down. All that Thanksgiving cooking, no, I didn't. You guys know I didn't cook Thanksgiving. But guys, you want something quick and easy? I just took 3 boxes of cornbread. Follow the instructions. It's a quick together meal. You hear me? A quick together meal. Yeah, you hear people all in the cabinets in my house slamming cabinets. I'm recording. They slamming cabinets. They don't got it. They don't understand. I don't know. But Mama Jackie is, look, I'm right there. There you go. Cornbread in here. The oven. Let me see. There's some boxed cornbread. Follow instructions, guys. Just something to go with it. That's all. And put that in the oven. And I'll put the timer on here. 20 minutes. And let me show you guys. Let me show you. Let me show you. That's a song, right? I don't know. But let me move this to here. Huh? Mom recording. Y'all see Mama Jackie still interrupt the video. Oh. Look at this. I'm all up in the screen. I say that's too much of everything. But look at that. Can you guys see this? They came out wonderful. Look at that. Them pork chops and potatoes right there. I'm going to plate this, guys, on my plate. When I say they came out good, they came out good. Something quick and easy. Put it on a serving dish, your best serving dish. The pork chops are juicy, and they came out nice and done. And they look, I got stuff all on me. They look amazing. 40 minutes. It's pork. You don't want to overcook it. You don't want to dry it out. And them potatoes. Oh, Lord have mercy. The potatoes, guys. Put them on the side. And get you some vegetables. Get you some salad. You know, get some broccoli going. I decided just to be simple tonight. Just the potatoes. And they came out and they cooked really good because, like I told you guys, I couldn't get my hands on the baby potatoes. They were sold out. The red ones, the yellow ones. I just took some red potatoes, cut them in half, boiled them in some chicken broth. Boiled them in some chicken broth, guys. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Tell me. I'm about to is that my thumbnail? Ranch pork chops and potatoes. Guys, that look incredible. And we got cornbread cooking. It's a short video. It's a quick video, but it's your dinner. Look at that. That looks so wonderful. Guys, go follow me on Wizzo. Ask a question, come over there. I got an answer for you. The link is below. Until next time, guys, like, share, subscribe. I am out. Hope you enjoyed me recording myself. I'm trying my best, but my son record me 3 days a week. I'm recording me on the football days. That's how they got me, girl. Y'all Soul Squad. But look, ranch flavored pork chops and roasted potatoes. Good. Until next time, Soul Squad, I am out.